Good morning everyone, we are the Group 2 from BIT City 1G. This video that we are all about to watch is all about the discussion and explanation on disaster prevention and mitigation during the fire and earthquake. First topic, we have the fire. So, first let us define what is fire. Fire is a rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. The light and heat, and especially the flame produced by burning, are fuel that is burning in a controlled setting, the destructive burning of something, the shooting of weapons, rifle fire, and enthusiasm.
Fire made of chemical composition of fire. Fire is the result of the chemical reaction called combustion. At a certain point of the combustion reaction called ignition point, flames are produced. Flames consist primarily of carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen, and nitrogen.
What are the possible causes of fire? Leading causes of house fires: appliances and equipment, any devices that generate heat, stove, clothes dryers, heaters, or heat up with extended use computer fans. As potential fire hazard, candles, holiday decoration, electrical system and devices, smoking, chemical and gases, lightning, children. Cooking fires are the leading cause of home fires, by far accounting for 48% of all reported residential fires. Heating, electrical fires, candles, 90% of all wildfires are caused by human act of carelessness, such as leaving campfires unattended and negligent discarding of cigarette bunds result in wildfire disaster every year. Accident, deliberate act of arson, burning of debris, and fireworks are as well other substantial causes of wildfires.
What to do during a fire? In the event of a fire, the following steps should be taken to ensure the safety of a building occupants. Activate the fire alarm, call 911 immediately and provide information. Assess injured personnel or notify emergency respondents of the medical emergency. Exit the building following emergency maps. Stop, drop, and roll if you or your family's clothes catch on fire. Always stay with your family and pets and keep your disaster safety kit on hand. And remain calm and evacuate immediately. Drive at regular speeds with windows rolled up and headlights on. Use wet cloths to cover your nose and be alert and aware on debris that will cause harm to you.
Example on going out to a place with fire. A fire drill is a method of practicing how a building would be evacuated in the event of fire or other emergencies. In most cases, the building's existing fire alarm system is activated and the building is evacuated by means of the nearest available exit as if an emergency had actually. Use a wet cloth or handkerchief from keeping the smoke coming to your nose. What should we do to prevent cause fire? Be cautious. Keep those things that could lead to fire. Unplug chargers and appliances if not used. Do not let children play with candles and also educate yourself on how to prevent causing fire so that you can be knowledgeable about it and responsible enough in preventing fire.
We cannot lighten up the fire when it's already lighting, but we can prevent a fire when we are lightened up with enough ideas. We're done on fire. Let's move on to earthquake. So what is earthquake?
An earthquake is what happens when two blocks of the earth suddenly slip past one another. The surface where they slip is called the fault or fault plane. Earthquakes are the result of sudden movement along faults within the earth. The movement releases stored up elastic strain energy in the form of seismic waves, which propagate through the earth and cause the ground surface to shake. Causes of earthquake. Volcanic eruption. The main cause of earthquake is volcanic eruptions. Tectonic movements. The surface of the earth consists of subplates comprising of the upper mantle. Geological faults. Man-made minor causes.
Effects of earthquake: ground shaking and structural failure. Ground shaking is the vibration of the ground during an earthquake, surface rupture, and ground displacement. The primary earthquake hazard is surface rupture, landslide, liquefaction, tsunamis, fires, earth shaking, and surface rupture.
During, do the duck cover and hold way. Stay away from outer walls, windows, fireplaces, and other hanging objects. If you are unable to move from a bed or chair, protect yourself from falling objects by covering up with blankets and pillows. When going outside, make sure to be alert and don't panic. If you are outside, go to an open area away from trees, telephone poles, and buildings, and stay there. Stay for a while for a safety place because there is a tendency have an aftershock.
It is easy to follow but hard to action when we panic. But always remember, do not let your emotions control you.